So earlier in the week we did true duals with high flow cats, X pipe and everything on this 2016 Silverado Z71. Sounded absolutely phenomenal, but due to neighbors complaining too much of how loud and nice it sounds, and we had to put a muffler on it. Hate to say it, but we did. So still got the stock converters, then it's got the X pipe, the high flow cats, and then we put an 11-inch MAGNAFLOW muffler on it right there. And then it's got 2.5 all the way back into 4-inch black tips. He wanted it to tame it a little bit, quieten it down. So it's when he idles through the neighborhood, nobody complains. It's only 11 inches, it's not that big. Took all the fun out of it, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. 2020 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Really nice truck. And well, we got something special on this one for you guys and girls. Got factory converters, and they don't come in the 2020s. They don't come with the third converter. So guess what? We can true dual it all the way back and back and back and back, and then we can go forward again. All the way forward, just like that. So as you guys can see, it's true dualed into 3.5 inch by 18 or by 12s, sorry, tips right there, angle cut. So it came out really beautiful. If you guys say otherwise, please leave it in the comments. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Appreciate it. Hope you guys like it.
Oh yeah.
It still got the noise, but not as good as before. But it's okay.
Hey, we got the fours. We got
Yeah,
the fours.
exactly.
We'll always remember her
Yeah.
as she was.
As she was. Before the damn neighbors got involved. His main complaint was it's too loud when he's driving idle, so it's quiet when he warms it up in the morning. It'll be quiet. You don't really hear it. As you guys can tell, you can barely hear it. That's what that 11-inch muffler will do. Sound decibels. 106. That sounds sick. We cut all that stuff off all the time. Sierra.